Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Shyhaze, and I'm back with another video. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I relax my hair at home. So let's just jump right into it. What you can see me here doing is actually detangling my hair. I did have some box braids in for like a month, so the best thing to do is detangle your hair. I'm using a white tooth comb, a shower comb, any comb you want to call it. Just make sure that it has white teeth, and you want to actually detangle your hair from tip to root. Clearly I'm doing the opposite, don't do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, try to detangle that, and then after that I'm actually gonna go in and do a silk press on my hair because I want it to be as straight as possible when I put the relaxer in, so that way I actually know what I am relaxing, if that makes any sense. So in order to do the silk press, I am going to use the products I always use on my channel, which is my Garnier Fructis Moroccan Argan Oil, and also this 3-in-1 heat protecting that you guys see right here. I'm going to put that in and then do a calm little silk press, and then we're going to jump right into a few days afterwards, which is me basing my hair so we could put this relaxer on. So a couple of things: if you are an OG relaxer, like you always get relaxers, or you used to, you know your scalp always know when to itch before you get a relaxer. So this is why I'm putting the Vaseline on my scalp. I was scratching it like crazy. If you decide to relax your hair after a protective style, wait 1 to 2 weeks. Don't be like me and put it in a couple of days afterwards, because yeah, just stay tuned, y'all gonna see at the end. So Africa's Best is the relaxer I'm using. I always use this, gets my hair super straight. I love this. So we're gonna be putting step 1 into step 2, mix it around with that wooden spatula they provide, or wooden stick I should say, popsicle stick. And this one was a little runny, which was weird, but just to get right back into it, I already did the back of my head in my bathroom, which is normally where I do my hair, but we are going to actually do the front with you guys instead of doing the back. So as you can see, I'm actually just slapping this onto my head, like literally slapping this onto my head, because it was burning already and I needed the front to be done. If you, like I said, if you're an OG relaxer, you already know the front is where it matters. Like, you need that part to be slick down. So I'm slapping that on. Don't do that, and do not comb through your hair with a comb when you're doing a relaxer. You want to smooth it out with your hand or with the back of the comb. Never comb through it because your hair is most fragile at this point. Like I said, I'm just smoothing it through. Do not slap it on your head like I'm doing, and you want to do smaller sections, okay? So yeah, that, just smooth it out. Y'all do the opposite of everything I'm doing in this video, basically, and your hair will come out popping, okay? So I'm going through with that, and then once that's done, I'm going to actually rinse that out. Normally you want to leave this in for probably 10-15 minutes, maybe even 20 if you have coarse hair. The Africa's Best I'm using is for regular hair. It's not like extra strength for coarse hair. That I would recommend if you're doing it on virgin hair. At this point, I actually did rinse out the relaxer, washed it out really good, shampooed it about 3 times. Then I did a deep conditioner, going back in with my white tooth comb after I added some Moroccan Argan Oil, and my hair is a mess. Forgot to tell you guys, so my hair is actually damaged. Yes, I know it's damaged, not due to relaxing my hair, but as you can see, it is kind of damaged because I did put a bleach in my hair about a few months ago during quarantine, and y'all know during quarantine nobody was taking care of nothing, so my hair was just a mess. I did not take care of it, super duper dry, so I ended up breaking off, and you guys will actually see that in the front of my hair once I start blow drying that part. But other than that, my hair has been healthy. My hair actually grew a lot based on my last silk press video that was in January. So I think my hair is actually doing pretty good, but we're on a road to more healthy hair. So definitely stay tuned for more hair videos. Also, while we're here and I'm blow drying my hair, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at dbeautyforever. And you guys may have noticed I'm doing a lot of nail videos now, but you can actually check out OD Drip for more nails and stuff, whatever. So I'm up to my favorite part, which is molding down the front of my hair, and I am using Nairobi's foam mousse, and this is my fave. Like, this is probably the main reason why I do relaxers, just so I can lay my hair down with foam instead of an edge control, which normally gets a lot of buildup and really gunky. But yeah, we're gonna do this, tie the hair down, then part it in two, so that way while it's just easier to be sectioned off. I don't know, I always part it in two. But we're gonna do this. You guys can see I burned myself, and the side that I'm working on, my left side, is actually not really that relaxed. But we're gonna let this dry and then I'll be back. Also, just to let you guys know that this is not the first relaxer that I actually done myself. I've been relaxing my own hair since about 5th grade. And then afterwards, I would say probably in junior high, I actually started going to Dominicans to get my hair relaxed and blow dried and wash and set. But y'all, that was no. So since then, I've been doing my own hair again since junior high. So it went from 5th grade, whatever. Is that really important? Let's get back into the video. So what I'm doing now is flat ironing my hair. I'm using a Tangle teaser brush. It's just way easier for me than using a comb, but you guys will see me actually going in between the brush and the comb a few times just to see what actually works better. And honestly, they're about the same. It's just that I could grip my hair better with the brush. The flat iron that I'm using is Conair's Infinity. I used to love this flat iron, but no longer do. Normally, the flat iron I would use is the Vanity Planet's Vibe flat iron, which is discontinued, and I'm so sad about it. But that's my favorite flat iron. You guys probably seen that in a couple of my videos in the past. I still have that flat iron. I still love it. I don't know why I didn't use it, but as you can see, I'm going through my hair. I'm going to flat iron that, and we're just going to speed through that process. Okay, so my hair is fully flat ironed, you guys, and this is not the finished look yet, but this is how my hair looks after flat ironing it. It's completely uneven because I did trim it about a couple of months ago, but just to let you guys know again that my hair is damaged from color, a previous bleach that I did myself. So I do know that I need to trim my hair and get those dead ends off, which I can't wait to do. And you guys, when you do your own trims, use shears, don't use regular scissors. And if you want to see a video on how I trim my hair, definitely comment that down below so you guys could see me actually do that for you. And what I'm doing here is attempting to do a silk press with this flat iron, which is horrible for it. So I'm going in, just giving myself some really big curls. Then I'm going to wrap my hair, put a shower cap on it, and going to blow dry my hair on cool. It's so important that you use your blow dryer on cool and not hot, because you'll sweat out everything that you completely just did. So stay tuned and then watch the finished look. I hope I see you guys in the next video. Again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.